What's up guys, and today I'm going to be showing you how to change a rear wheel bearing on a Mk2 Breadvan Polo. So first we're going to slacken the nuts with a 17mm socket, just enough so it's easy to come off when you jack the car up. Obviously you don't want them tight when you're jacking it up, because as soon as you jack it up it's less stable. Suitable jacking point. I don't trust the sills on these cars. I mean, this is a K-Red, so it's 1993, but I would suggest the rear axle. So that's the car jacked up. I'm just going to stick it on, well, just in case. If you're struggling, just tap it with a hammer. Tap the pliers with a hammer just to give you a bit of leverage. Right, next thing we need to do, take this nut off. I'm using a 24mm, but you might need to use a breaker bar, because if the wheel bearing's knackered, then most likely it's been generating heat, so it'll be a bit seized on. And note, just keep everything in a neat pile so you know where everything is if you need to put it back on. I've got a wheel bearing kit, so I get most of the apparel, for instance your pin, your cap. I get a new one anyway, your rubber seal for the back, and that's all that comes in the kit. Alright guys, so next thing you want to do is to remove this washer. I like to just get a pair of pliers, it should come off just like that. Notice you can only put the washer on a certain way. It's got the groove here and the groove there, so you can't really mess it up when you put it back on. Right, next thing, when you park and brake off, this should be easy enough just to pull out. That's the drum off. We don't need anything else in here unless you're changing your brakes as well. We're just mainly focused with this. So this is part of your bearing, your front bearing. That's not too bad. It was the rear bearing that was giving me problems. Flip it over. You can see how slack it is. So what we're going to do is remove this rubber seal first. Also guys, what I forgot to say, just make sure your parts that you're taking off your car are the same as the new ones you're putting on. There's nothing worse than getting everything apart and finding out that it doesn't fit and it's not supposed to fit. So just line them up, eyeball them. If everything looks fine, then you should be a go. I mean, check the rubber seal if you're getting the bearing kit. That's the rubber seal off. I just used the screwdriver, pried it from in and then popped it out because I couldn't get leverage from the outside. So just check to see if that's the same as the new one. Yep. Looks similar to me, so that's fine. Chuck that to the side just in case. See, there's the back of the wheel bearing. That's what sits against axle, and this is what's been giving me problems. You can see. Right, next guys, what you want to do, might be a lot of grease, that's why you should wear gloves. Don't know if you can see it, but you'll see like little notches there, there, there. So I think that's 3 notches. What you want to do is hammer them out, get a screwdriver, go against the notch and hammer that out, because that's the casing for the wheel bearing. And the same on this side, if you flip it over, hammer them out. There we go guys, that's the front one hammered out. Just work your way around it, don't hit it constant at the one spot, otherwise it's just going to get stuck. Just chap it all the way around. Should be 3 spots, and once it's far enough from the notches you'll be able to chap it wherever you want. Right, I'll do the back one and then I'll show you what's next. Right, with a bit of persuasion I managed to get the rear one out. Looks so good. We'll stick that over there. There you go. Nice. Right, next. Right, next you want to do is grease your bearings up before you put them in. But first we're going to be putting the case the back of the bearing, where the bearing sits, and then knock that back in, the new one back in. So what I do, find a socket big enough, these are 34, you just want to hammer it down. Make sure you hammer it down straight and level, otherwise it'll offset and you'll need a new wheel bearing within a week. Right guys, that's me put the back ring in. What I found was easier to get it in the first place is to take the ring from the old bearing, place that on top like so, and place it the other way because it's got more of a lip. You see the lip? So you place it that way, more of a lip to push it down, and just go round it with a hammer, just slowly, just take your time, just so you get it level, and you'll notice it goes down. And the reason I said put the lip down the way, so you've got a bit of a lip, so if it does get stuck, you pop it off. And that's that. That's it in. You can feel it all the way against the ledge. Right, now time to do the front. Right, that's the front ring in now. Well, how I done that was got the old wheel bearing, placed it in. You can see where how I need to replace it, because if you look at the wheel bearing, look how flat that is. Anyway, that was before I hit it. Put that in. Size socket off the wheel bearing, and then just chap it in hard as you can. Doesn't matter because the wheel bearing will get stuck. And make sure both of the rings are right against the edge, the lip. So there's not even a gap. So they're sitting flush both sides. So nope, all good. Right. Next thing you want to do is put your rear wheel bearing in, like so, and then go onto the rubber seal. And just pull the wheel bearing into place. Give that a jack. Right, so what I've done, put it on, and then got your front of the wheel bearing, placed it in, and to assemble it all is the exact same as your disassembly, apart from when you've tightened your nut, your locking pin, your new locking pin that you should get, put it through and split so it goes around both sides. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed the video. I know I'm just new to this, so I've got plans in the future of doing other things. I want to do an engine swap on this, so I'd appreciate any sort of support. Maybe it's shit, maybe you want to dislike it. Let me know how I can improve, because like I say, I'm new to this. I don't. Anyway, enough of rambling. I hope you enjoyed. Subscribe, like, and have a good day. Ciao bello.